Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the watch off and removing the band and any SIM or SD card. This prevents shorts and data loss. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap and clear a clean, well-lit surface so small screws don't vanish. Use a suction cup and plastic pick to lift the glass gently. Do not pry metal parts. Once the bezel is loosened, keep screws organized in labeled zones so reassembly matches original locations, which matters for fit and functionality. With the bezel open, apply steady heat to the screen edge until adhesive softens. Use a temperature-controlled pad or hair tool at 60-80 degrees C. You then lift the glass slowly while watching for ribbon cables. If you see connector clips, flip or slide them to release the flex. Disconnect the battery briefly to avoid shorting the board. Once detached, clean adhesive residue using 90% plus isopropyl and a soft swab so the new screen bonds evenly and maintains touch responsiveness. You place fresh adhesive on the frame, align the replacement screen precisely using alignment marks, then reconnect flex cables and lock connector clips. Make sure the battery is reattached last. Power the watch on and test display, touch, proximity, and heart rate sensors before sealing. This saves rework. Once verified, ramp pressure evenly when securing the bezel and tighten screws to spec. If touch fails or display shows lines, recheck connectors for debris or misalignment. A loose flex is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.